Looking for an RC car that packs power without breaking the bank? These brushless models under $200 deliver insane performance and fun. From the moment I unboxed the Tenson high-speed RC Truggy, I knew it was built for adrenaline-fueled fun. This Truggy comes equipped with a brushless motor that pushes it to high speeds with smooth acceleration. Its design balances speed and stability, making it a great option for both newcomers and seasoned RC enthusiasts. The Truggy's suspension system impressed me by absorbing shocks effectively, allowing for steady control over uneven terrain. The four-wheel drive adds excellent traction, so you won't be stuck easily even on dirt or gravel tracks. The compact size also makes it convenient for quick outdoor sessions. What really stood out was how manageable it felt at speed. No wild drifting unless you want it. That kind of control makes you wonder, why settle for slower RC cars when you can have this kind of performance? The Hosim RC car for adults immediately impressed me with its robust construction and powerful brushless motor. Designed specifically for adult users, this car combines speed with durability, making it a solid contender in the under $200 bracket. Its aerodynamic body and responsive steering create an exhilarating driving experience from the get-go. What I loved most was how well it handled rough terrain and jumps without losing momentum. The four-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip, letting you push it hard on various surfaces without feeling out of control. It's a car that invites you to experiment with speed and technique. Have you ever wanted an RC car that feels like a true racing machine? This one comes pretty close. Testing the Hometall Fast RC car for adults was a surprisingly enjoyable experience. Though it's one of the most affordable brushless options on this list, it doesn't skimp on speed or control. The compact design and lightweight frame make it incredibly nimble, perfect for quick turns and fast chases around tight spaces. Its brushless motor delivers smooth acceleration, and the car responds instantly to controller inputs, making it a joy to drive. I especially appreciated its versatility on both indoor and outdoor surfaces, where it maintained consistent performance. You might wonder, can a budget-friendly RC car really compete with higher-end models? Hometall proves it can hold its own in many ways. The ZD Racing Fast RC car delivers an impressive blend of speed control and style that caught my attention right away. Powered by a brushless motor, it rockets forward with quick acceleration and maintains steady handling even at high speeds. Its aerodynamic body design adds to the overall racing vibe, making it look as fast as it feels. One of the highlights for me was the car's stability. Thanks to its well-tuned suspension and 4WD, it stays planted during tight corners and rough terrain. You really feel connected to the controls, which enhances the driving experience. Battery life is solid enough to keep the fun going for a good stretch before recharging. Isn't it great when a car looks this good and drives even better? The Hypergo H16 PL Fast Brushless RC Buggy is a thrilling ride that combines speed and ruggedness in a compact package. Its brushless motor propels it to high speeds effortlessly, while the buggy's off-road capabilities make it perfect for adventurous runs over dirt, grass, and rocky surfaces. I was impressed by how well the suspension system absorbed shocks, keeping the buggy stable even when hitting jumps and bumps at full throttle. The four-wheel drive drivetrain provides excellent traction, giving you confidence in every corner and acceleration. Ever wondered what it feels like to drive a professional-level buggy without the pro price? Hypergo brings that experience close to reality. The Decave RC Rally car surprised me with its impressive balance of speed, agility, and ruggedness. Its brushless motor delivers quick bursts of power, while the rally-inspired design allows it to handle tight turns and uneven surfaces with ease. This car feels ready for serious competition out of the box. The four-wheel drive system and advanced suspension make it a joy to drive on gravel, dirt, and asphalt alike, providing solid grip and control. I found myself pushing it harder on every run, simply because it responded so well. The remote is intuitive, helping you focus on the thrill of racing rather than fiddling with controls. Isn't it satisfying to have an RC that keeps up with your racing ambitions? The Dierks Brushless Fast RC car offers a fantastic combination of speed, durability, and control that impressed me from the first run. Its brushless motor provides rapid acceleration and a satisfying top speed, while the sturdy frame handles impacts and rough terrain confidently. Driving it feels smooth and responsive, with the 4WD system delivering excellent traction on various surfaces. Whether you're racing on asphalt or tackling light off-road conditions, this car adapts well, making every session a blast. Battery life is decent, giving you plenty of time to enjoy before recharging. Have you ever wished for an RC car that feels both fast and reliable? The Deersea could be exactly that. The Hymol 4WD brushless RC car caught my eye with its aggressive styling and powerful brushless motor. This car is designed for speed and stability, featuring a four-wheel drive system that ensures excellent grip and control on diverse surfaces. It's a solid pick for both beginners and experienced drivers. What stood out during testing was how smooth the acceleration felt, paired with precise steering that makes cornering a real pleasure. The car's lightweight frame helps it stay agile, while the durable build handles rougher terrain without complaint. Wouldn't it be great to have an RC car that combines style, speed, and ease of use all in one? One minor limitation I noticed is the somewhat limited range of the controller, but it's enough for casual racing sessions. The Gelife brushless RC car for adults impressed me with its strong brushless motor and user-friendly design. Tailored to adult hobbyists, it balances speed and control in an accessible package that's easy to pick up but hard to put down. The aerodynamic body adds to its racing appeal and durability. During my test runs, the car handled a variety of surfaces well, thanks to its four-wheel drive traction and solid suspension system. It accelerates quickly and maintains stability even during sharp turns, making it a joy to drive whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Isn't it exciting to find an RC car that feels both powerful and manageable?